Picture this: a potential customer was this close to buying from you, but you're suddenly out of stock. But is this potential sale really lost? Not if you set up this flow first, the back in stock flow. What is the back in stock flow anyway? Let's quickly define that. In a nutshell, it's an automated email flow that's deployed when a product of yours is currently unavailable and allows users to opt in to be notified as soon as it's back. And as a store owner, it's essential to keep the momentum your potential customers had when they originally tried to get the product from you. How does the back in stock flow fit into my customer journey? Looking at your customer journey graphic right here, the back in stock flow is part of your new customer flows. And with this series, here's what's going on at this stage of the customer journey. Customers know their problem, they're hunting for a solution, they find your store, your product, but darn it, out of stock. We've all been there. But fortunately, we have the perfect automated solution for this using the back in stock flow. Here's how to set it up to get the best results. How to set it up. So before setting up this flow, make sure to check your back in stock settings. Go to setting inside of your Klaviyo account, select other, go down to back in stock settings, set the minimum inventory and notification settings to numbers that make sense for your account, and hit update. Now onto the setup for the back in stock flow. Here's how to create it. Log into your Klaviyo account and go to the analytics section. Select metrics. Here, look for integrated metric called subscribed to back in stock. Once you see it's already there, go to the flows tab and click on create flow. Search for back in stock and select the one that appears usually around the first few. And your flow is basically all set. You can also use the naming convention we use here at Klaviyo, straight line, back in stock. Regarding flow filters, make sure the one you have set up has not been in this flow in the last 30 days. The content. Now, let's review the email's content in this series. I'll share with you a very neat trick you can do in your first email that very few stores know about. Email number 1 can be used as a confirmation email and as an excuse to purchase something currently available. Instead of waiting until their chosen product is back in stock, this email gives them a chance to browse something else and scratch that itch. The copy here can be very simple, such as, "Hey there, just want to confirm you'll be notified when this product is back in stock. In the meanwhile, here's a discount for these items currently available." Another neat trick for this email is to send it 5 minutes after they subscribe to be notified so you can capitalize on their high buying intent. Email 2 is sent when the original item is back in stock. This email is pretty straightforward. It simply notifies the user on the promised item being back in stock. For the copy, as always, we want to aim for something short, simple, but with a bit of an urgency, such as, "We have fantastic news. Remember chosen product? Well, it's finally back in stock. Go back and make it yours before it goes out of stock again." If you want to take it up a notch, you can even add a discount. Sorry for keep you waiting. Here's a discount to make it up to you. Make sure the delay on this email is wait until recipient's item of interest is back in stock. As for email number 3, this works really well if you send it a couple of days later. This email is all about preventing your subscribers from having to wait again for restocking. It should read something along the lines of, "You've already waited for this item to be back in stock. We just wanted to let you know that it's selling quickly. So get a head start and restock before it's too late." Again, you can also offer a discount as an incentive over here, and you're all set. After following these steps, you will save yourself the manual labor of restock emails, grab more emails, make a few cross sales, keep your customers informed and engaged, all without lifting a finger. Want even more battle-tested email marketing for your store? Then you should go ahead and check out our Klaviyo Masterclass, designed to help you scale your email and SMS marketing for free. Link to watch it is in the description box down below. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, as we're committed to making it the most up-to-date and comprehensive email and SMS marketing channel on YouTube. Learn all the secrets from our team of experts who generated millions in email and SMS marketing revenue for our clients. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.